Well, hey y'all, it's Jamie Deen. I'm back here in Mama's Kitchen. We've rounded the corner of Thanksgiving. We're on the home stretch to Christmas, my favorite time of the year, college football playoff season. Listen, this is a great recipe and it is a wonderful idea for you to have a Christmas morning menu already planned. My mom used to do this and she would have everything ready just to pop into the oven in the morning on Christmas morning because it's a busy day. So I'm gonna share this with y'all today. Sausage, egg, and potato breakfast casserole. I've taken 1 pound of sausage and I've already browned this off. That's pretty boring to watch. And in the same skillet, I'm gonna put in my onions and our bell peppers. I'm doing this right in the renderings of the sausage that we have because that's gonna give it a lot of really good flavor. This is gonna cook for just a few minutes. So when I was young growing up, my mom would always come up with something different on Christmas mornings. And I don't know what it was that she did. It was a chicken breast wrap. I wish she were here and I could ask her. One Christmas morning breakfast sticks out above all others. But this sausage, potato, egg casserole is something that we've done many times. And my boys love it too. This is a popular dish around my house. And really one of the neatest things about this, it is a one skillet deal. If you can get all these different flavors into one skillet, it really helps with your cleanup in the kitchen. So, but Teresa's come in and she's got all these dishes dirty with all of my things. Thank you, Teresa. So you think, well, he's worried about one pot and he's got 17 different bowls on the counter. Well, that's because Teresa is fantastic at what she does. She calls me and says, hey, Jamie, you want to do some videos? And I'm like, sure. And I just could get my 3 or 4 shirts together and I show up and she's got everything done and I'm happy to be here. So this is gonna cook for about 3 minutes. We're gonna let this cook down. This is pretty boring, so why don't y'all freshen up your coffee and we'll be back as soon as this gets done. Okay, y'all, you see this has been going for about 3 minutes. Now notice I'm using red peppers here. I was gonna say you could use yellow. I like any color pepper other than green. Do y'all think red and yellow and green peppers taste different? I think cilantro tastes like soap, so maybe I just have a weird mouth.
I don't notice it. Well, I think the yellow one and the red are sweeter.
That's what I like. So I'm gonna take these out of this pan. I've cooked them down in the renderings. Now I'm still gonna be using this pan. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna wipe this out. I'm gonna get this out because what we're gonna do now is spray this. You see, this is what we're gonna make our breakfast casserole in. Butter flavored non-stick spray, imagine that. Okay, so we've got our sausage done, our peppers and our onions are done. So now it's time to get into the meat of what we're working with here today, which is eggs. We have 4 eggs. And we're gonna add to the eggs 1 cup of milk. I'm gonna beat this up. Don't wait till breakfast to have this. We love to have breakfast for dinner around the house. I love breakfast for dinner. Now to these eggs, we're going to stir in, we've got a 15-ounce bag of hash browns. We're gonna get our vegetables down in here. We've got our pound of sausage that we've cooked and drained. And I have a cup of mozzarella and a cup of cheddar. We're gonna add half of these and save the rest for the top. And we're gonna mix all this together. This is basically your Grand Slam breakfast from the Waffle House, all in one skillet. Make sure that we incorporate, we get our eggs all the way through here. This is gonna be a breakfast casserole. It's almost like a souffle. So anything that's not coated with this egg isn't gonna bake up like we want it to. Kind of looks like Christmas with the yellow and red.
It does. I It needs a little green.
Well, and to this, we are going to add, after I get this turned up, I think that's good. We're going to add, oh, you know what? Sometimes it happens, y'all. I miss something. So I'm gonna saute this garlic off while I'm finishing up my bowl.
That'll just make that pan even that much better.
Yep, just let that cook a little bit to get that flavor in there. We're gonna add a teaspoon of chopped fresh chives. Here is our green.
There we go. Now it looks Christmassy. Any salt and pepper?
Thank you, Teresa. What would I do without you?
Just checking.
Now, to this, I don't know what the measurements are. So we've got our sausage in there, so it's gonna have a little salty flavor. Probably gonna go big pinch and a big pinch. I haven't measured salt and pepper in a really long time. And because I don't really use a lot of salt when I cook unless I'm doing like a protein. I did steaks last night and I really like to get a good coat of salt and pepper on the steaks. And our garlic is cooked up here. I can smell it. So we're gonna add our garlic. Make sure I get this incorporated really good in here. So our pan that we've done our sausage, our onions, our garlic, and our bell peppers in is now ready to hold our casserole. Don't forget to spray this. You want to be able to scoop this out easily when it's time. Look at that, y'all. Doesn't that look good? So I've got our oven set for 350. This is gonna go in at 350 and probably after about 20 minutes, I'm gonna give it a check. Make sure I get all the goodness out of there. Nice and even. And then let's coat it with the last of our cheese. So we've saved a little bit of our mozzarella.
That looks fabulous.
It's gonna be delicious.
And it smells great.
And our cheddar cheese. See how easy that is, y'all? So this is our sausage, egg, and potato breakfast casserole. It's a one skillet wonder. It's going in the oven at 350. We'll check it out in about 20 minutes. Y'all get hungry. Oh, 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 breakfast casserole is ready. Look at this, y'all. Love it. It's set up perfect. See how it pulls across? Look at that, all the egg and cheese. This is cooked perfectly. So if you want to cut this and get you a pie cutter and scoop it up, that's fine. But what I would recommend is you just take a spoon and you just dish up whoever you might be cooking for. This would be for Davis. This would be for Brooke. This would be for Jack. And then this would be for me and Matthew. I know if y'all have seen me over here cooking at Mama's house, you have seen me burn my mouth beyond repair several times. And I have not yet learned. I'm just gonna go ahead and go right in. So this is our sausage breakfast casserole with eggs and cheese, fresh peppers.
Let me let them see the gooiness while you burn your mouth up. Yum.
This is a really,
Oh, you can see the steam coming off of it.
really simple recipe. It's perfect for Christmas morning or Christmas Eve or anytime you have company come over. It's a one skillet wonder, y'all. It's delicious. I hope you enjoy it. Don't eat it too fast out of the oven. You'll burn yourself. Happy holidays, y'all. Love one another.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.